number 2. As you know, it is our birthday week. And so we thought it would be kind of fun to every day this week, each of the 3 contributors are going to share a different birthday idea with you. And so today I thought, what could I do that Mike would just absolutely love doing?
Totally.
Totally.
I'm so excited.
Yes. So does it remind you when I taught elementary school?
Oh, yeah. It's bringing back some great memories.
Yes. And you would say, I do not cut lamination.
Do not cut lamination.
How many pieces of lamination did we have?
Oh,
a lot.
Yeah.
And he says, Kris, I don't cut things out. But you know what? He still did because he's amazing. So I thought, okay, what could I have Mike do today? And so this just reminds me of like those days.
It does.
You could do it over and over and over again. So no, it's not golf, Deb. As much as he would like that.
That's right. That's right.
Okay. So today I thought I would share with all of you how to make something that is not no calories, calorie-free, and super cute in honor of our birthday.
That is way cute.
Yes. Oh, good job. What are some other buzzwords that when your wife shows you something she made? What do you say?
That's gorgeous, or that is, I don't know. I can't think of anything right now.
Amazing. Incredible. I can't believe you did that. Wow. It looks like something you might have bought at the store.
Yes.
Yeah. So, all right. We'll practice on that, right?
We'll practice.
Yeah. We're like, oh my goodness, that is just the cutest thing I ever saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. All right. So we're going to make these little birthday cupcakes out of a fat quarter. And they would be so cute to make for, your friends who are having birthdays, your quilt guild, your whoever you want. If you want a calorie-free cupcake, here you go. Right. So you know what a fat quarter is, right, Mike?
I do.
Okay, good deal. All right. So let's go ahead and pull that out.
All right.
And this is one of those fat quarters I've been just waiting to use. Like, look how perfect it is. Someone actually gifted this to me at the last tug, and I've been holding on to it, waiting for the perfect thing to do with it. And I'm ready to do that today. So let's go ahead. Yep. Carb-free too. Judy said, I knew there was going to be a cake today. Nice. Nice. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the screen down. All right. So it's a little wrinkly, but that's okay. You're going to get the idea. So with the fat quarter, you have the length and then you have the width. So we're going to actually move it.
So hot dog or a hamburger?
Good job. Hamburger or hot dog, right? We're going to move it to a hamburger. This is the hamburger way. Okay, the short side. So, Mike, why don't you go ahead? We're going to fold from the top down to the bottom, all the way down.
All right.
Okay, so it's folded in half. Then go ahead and fold the top down again, all the way down, and one more time. And one more time. We're actually folding it 4 different times. Let's try to put right there. There we go. So 4 times. So, and then give it a nice hand press, right?
Right.
There we go. All right. So I'm going to take you back to your Boy Scout days, Mike. And just at the beginning, because the rest is not how you fold a flag. But, somebody's at the door. Should we let them just...
We'll just let
them ring again.
It's probably that neighbor girl that you always give popsicles to.
Oh, probably. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to fold it like as if you were starting a flag. So you're going to fold it at a 45-degree angle there.
All right.
Okay. And now
Should I do it the other way?
No, right. You're good. Oh, I see what you're saying because of that. You'll see that. Good job. Okay.
All right.
So we're going to fold it at a 45-degree angle, and then you're just going to roll it up Tracy says it's probably UPS. Oh, if it's UPS, that would be awesome because you never know what's
Just
going
roll
to
it,
show
you're
up.
saying?
Yeah, just roll up.
Trying to keep this folded in here.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Just keep on rolling.
Keep on rolling.
Okay, now, before you get to the very end, see, we don't want to have an ugly side to it. So you're going to just fold it in. And actually, you can just fold it in all the way. Yeah.
All right.
And then we're going to take a straight pin and just poke it right through like that. Okay. And then to make it look more like a cupcake,
you got to push the
you got
bottom.
to push the bottom. Yep. See, there we go. Ever so slightly.
All right.
Nice. Okay. So
I baked that fast.
I know, pretty good, right? And so then you're going to take your cupcake liner, and I actually like to put a few of them to make it a little bit stiffer, but go ahead and place that in there. And then how cute is that? Show it up to the camera, Mike.
There we go.
All right.
And I'm not even tempted to eat it.
I know. But they're so cute. You're not even going to want to do anything with it, but just have it up on your shelf, right?
That's right.
All right. And then I just grabbed these little happy birthday cake toppers. And you just stick it in there. And that's it, folks. It doesn't get any easier, right?
That's right.
Do we have candles? Do we have birthday candles?
I don't know, but we don't want to light it.
No.
That's cotton, Kris. That'll burn.
He's no fun.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't going to light it. I was just going to place it in there. All right. Well, that was so fun and so easy. How about you do another one? Just because, repetition is really a big deal. So let's go ahead and pull the screen down again.
Well, somebody didn't have, somebody wanted chocolate. Sorry, we're doing kind of a vanilla cream.
There you go. So here we have it.
And I'm folding it the other way this time.
Yeah, you could definitely tie a ribbon around it as well. Wow, you're doing it without, just one time and you've got the hang of it.
Yeah.
So you guys see that it's 4 times you're doing it. You're folding it over 4 times. Yeah, Jerry, it is a great way to gift a fat quarter for sure. Jenny's on. She thought we were at the warehouse for a second with the fire alarm chirping.
Yeah.
I know.
It could be.
No, and the blinds just went down because it's like the sunniest part of the day. Okay, here we go.
And that's why we work so well, because Kris only has to tell me once and I better get it right the second time.
There you go. So we're going to place a pin right there at the end, just to hold it together. And then what do we do, Mike?
You gotta
ta-da!
Spread out the frosting.
There you go. How simple is that? And then here's another cupcake liner. It just doesn't get any easier, right?
There we go.
Ta-da! Look how cute. These are so fun. Boom, boom, boom.
Maybe we should just make these for our kids for their birthdays.
I don't know if they would like them very much, but I would love something like that.
That's right.
I think that would be fun. So can you picture all of the fun possibilities of fabrics? Can you just imagine it,
I can.
Mike?
Like when somebody said chocolate, I was just thinking you just need, brown fabric. Right there.
You could get fabric with sprinkles.
Good.
Right?
Yeah. There's that black
Somebody
one.
said you could fill a cupcake pan with these, gift the cupcake pan, yes.
Ah,
And wind up some money inside of it, Kathy said. I like that. Hold on just a second. I also have,
oh yeah.
I found these cute little gift boxes. Look how cute those are. Wouldn't that be fun? I mean, obviously, probably the topper's not gonna, let's see.
You probably could because it'll just bend over.
Okay, so
It'll
there
just-
we go.
So then you can bend it over so that it's
Oh,
showing
there you
happy
go.
birthday through the top.
Yes. Okay. Look how cute that is. Okay. All right. Let me grab this. So I thought these boxes were absolutely adorable. Right, Mike? That's the
Yep,
that's the right
adorable.
term, right? Adorable.
Cute's
go.
adorable.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that. How
Kinda shiny.
fun is that? So
Maybe you can show it.
the box. So guess what I decided to do, Mike?
Oh, you're probably going to make me ship these out all over.
Yes!
All right, I figured.
Yes. Yes, I am. So what we're going to do, what I thought would be kind of fun, is that 11 of you, because we're celebrating the number 11 this week, 11 of you are going to receive this fun little box in the mail with a little surprise from us. And so I am going to hand out, let's see, how many shippers do we have? 5?
5.
Okay, we have 5 shippers. I'm going to hand out to each of them 2 boxes, and one of them will get 3 boxes.
All right.
Okay. And I'm going to let them just randomly choose 11 people who they ship to this week. And because they really don't know, they don't really know the customer necessarily. So we're just going to have them randomly choose 11 people. And when you get your shipments this week, some of you are going to, 11 of you to be exact, will get a little cupcake in the mail.
Means I got to make
From Mike.
I got to make 5 more.
From Mike and Kris. All right. Look how cute. Here's a few more. We did the red polka dot.
Like a lemon meringue pie here.
Here we go. Lemon meringue pie. Here's like an orange creamsicle one. So we're going to send this out with a little love note. How about it?
Sounds great.
Okay. So there we go. Won't shipping
That was
have
easy.
fun with that? That was easy, right?
I can bake these more often.
Yeah. Is it better than cutting lamination?
Yeah, I would say.
There you go.
I would say better
Okay.
than lamination.
Nice. All right. So 11 lucky people, very randomly, are going to receive a little cupcake in the mail this week.
That is great.
All right. So
We'll make a couple chocolate ones.
there you go. If you get the chocolate one, you know that was from Mike.
That's right.
All right. So
We won't have to worry about the frosting being all messed up when
no,
it
it
arrives.
doesn't. You don't have to worry about it melting.
Yeah.
None of that, right? So there we go. Oh, is it somebody's birthday today? I'm seeing a happy birthday, Marie. I must have missed that.
Yeah.
I don't know,
I saw
but
somebody say happy birthday, Marie.
Elisa said happy birthday, Marie. So there you go. Crystal said, if you make it, I'm sure it will be perfect. Oh, no, it's going to be super awesome.
It will be.
Yeah, it'd be great. All right. Well,
Somebody said they're going to make one for themselves if they don't get it.
there you go. They're so easy to do, so
Yeah.
easy to make. But like I said, when it comes to the cupcake liners, if you're using this kind that kind of flanges out, it's not very sturdy. So you want about like 2 of them, 2 or 3 in one
Yeah.
thing. So, all right. Yeah, sprinkles fabric would be super cute, Penny. All right.
It's kind of like that old commercial, if Mikey likes it. If Mikey can do it, anybody can do it. Really.
There you go.
So, there you go.
Exactly. So anyway, also, I guess I'm seeing my mom on here. I'm seeing your sister, Kathy.
Oh,
This has been really a great family. It's taken the extended family as well to help
Yep.
us over the years, hasn't it?
Yep,
So
it has.
shout out to your parents, to my parents, to siblings. Just
Whatever you
so
don't like,
grateful.
it's probably my parents' fault. So
What?
just kidding.
What are you talking about? Because they raised
The
you?
way because they raised me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, we got a good one here. That's for sure. All right, guys. Well, Jenny says you're great at sewing. We miss you, Jenny. All right, everyone. Well, that's as easy as it is, right?
It is.